This is a improvement video of my mini AEG Electrolux Lavamat washing machine. We are going to be washing a pair of socks. Okay? So, here we go. On the 22nd or 23rd, we put your batteries in the back, and the batteries are still working, so it shouldn't be a problem. Close up the door, and here you have your detergent drawer. The reason why I don't put soap or detergent in this drawer, because it could get jammed up inside there. And it's like this. You do Wool Plus. And we're going to turn it on, press start. And once the cycle's finished, now we'll do it again. And we're going to do it one more time. Press start again. I'm going to set this back. And to take the clothes out, I'm just going to turn it off. Door opens. Take out the socks. And in the back, we've got something like a speaker. It looks like a speaker. It's not really a speaker. It's just holes. I'm not sure why they're there. Maybe it was supposed to be a speaker, but whoever made this washer failed it. So, never mind about that. And this is a clean. And here you have your battery box. It holds the batteries. And if you look on top of that, a little to the left, you can put a hand crank in there so you can crank up the washer. And since I showed you that, now we're going to crank it up. So I'm going to set the camera back on the tripod. And I'm going to tighten it. So I need to spin the camera to tighten it. It's one of those stands. Spin, tighten, stand. There we go. Oops. I didn't know that was going to happen. There we go. And I'm going to crank it up. So we're going to put the closing again. So we're going to the door. Gonna put the socks back in. And we're gonna Wool Plus. Is it on Wool Plus? Yeah, it's on Wool Plus. And I'm gonna turn it on. And I'm going to go in the back and crank it. So, here we go. Do it this way. I hope it's not clogged up. And we'll do it the other direction. And off. Door opens. Socks. And also in the back, if you open up this thing, inside here there's a hole down here where you drain the water out. You spill it in the sink. Out the back. And we're just gonna set this back to us. If you look through the church, if you look here, you also have these buttons. These buttons also activate the washer. Even though that says Zit Sparn, which I think does spin, it still does the main wash for some reason. That's all I can do for some reason. I don't know why, but thank you for watching. That's it.